Okay, so you saw you saw the last video, which this is a continuation of, go dramatically wrong. And what happened was the camera fell off the where I mounted it, and everything that, you know, it's not gremlins. I'd not mounted it securely. Put my hand up. But it went wrong, catastrophically wrong. The camera dropped out of the position, and I got a message saying the software had failed. I thought I'd smashed the camera. I've got it up and running again now, so we're going to continue. So yeah, sorry about that. So it's going to continue with this. I'd already done the speed, how smooth this Rodney Milling machine was running. Okay, and so it was really nice. So I'm not going to go to speed testing again. We've been through all that. But what I'm going to do is to, whoops. Oh no. It's going again, you see. Well, there we are. I'm trying to remove this. So we're removing the cutter. So first I put a block of wood on there like that, and then I'm going to raise this up the quill so this can go there. And now we're going to have to remove this with this wrench here. Okay. Because it's a different kind of fitting due to the original being stolen. So in case the cutter drops out, I'll just turn it down so it's near the piece of wood so it doesn't damage the cutter. And I use the glove down because there's an old bit there, and it's a bit painful on the hand when you try to grip it, so I'll put the glove on. Okay. So I'm slacking it sufficiently. Take that off. So now you can see I've unslackened it, and now I'm going to take the cutter out. There you go. One slot mill removed, end mill removed. So I'll put that safety down here. And then we're going to get on with the delicate procedure. The delicate procedure of moving this. So what we need to do is to wind the quill up to the top position. Alright. I'm going to lock it in position there, so I don't want it to accidentally drop down when I'm lifting it. It's very heavy, and I thought someone would give me some assistance with it, but they're not available. And I thought, well, no, I'm going to try to do it so you can see it. If anything goes wrong, you will see it. I'm just taking my watch off, and I need to keep moist. Ah, that's better. So for this job, I can move this out of the way. Now I'm going to keep that there. So now what we need to do is to use this wrench here, and I don't know if you can see it. I'll try to adjust it down a little bit. Yes. I don't know if you can see that. I think you should be able to see it. Yeah. So that's what we've got to do. So we slacken this off and make sure everything's switched off, of course. Now under here is a clamp, and we've got to swivel round to the horizontal position facing the tailstock and the headstock, and there's one on this other side as well. So I'm going to unslacken that one, and to do that I've got to go down to the back of the machine as well, because there's not a lot of room. Not a lot of room at all. But once it's sliding off, it's okay. Slackened off. Slackened sufficiently to do this job. So, what we have to first do is to slide the attachment out of the way so I can get to the drive arrangement. Okay, the drive assembly here. So they're slackened off there, and then I can just slide it out of the way. Why does everything go wrong? Oh, I don't think I need that. I certainly don't need this one. I want it further over there. So we'll move it a little bit more that way. Okay. To do this, you might have to just lever it a little bit one side because of the way the clamps work. It's not going to fall off at the moment. I hope not. But now I'm going to have to lift it off. Okay. So, to do this, I'm going to strip my jacket on. No, it's not a jacket, it's a smock. The delicate thing here is you've got to position the clamping arrangements so it doesn't fall over. Now remove things out of the way so I can, once I start this lift, it's a bit of a pain. So I'll try and position the camera so you can see. You can see if it drops on my foot. You'll hear a loud scream from me if it does. So we're ready for lifting. So okay folks, this is the Clink Comedy Show. But anyway, there we go. I usually lift it from the other position actually, but first I'll remove twist that round there, so it's in line with the tailstock and the headstock. And then I've got to do the other one. Now the danger is that if you're not careful, and once I've slid that into the same position as the other, it's heavy here and it would tendency to fall there. So we don't want that happening. So I'm going to support it, and then I'm going to lift it off and move it, hopefully without a problem. Whoa, you see what's happening? So here we go. Good grief. Oh. I'm telling you, I'll show you how to take it. Take it down here. See, that's where it lives. Anyway, I need to get my breath back. Believe me, you don't want to be doing that every day. But it's not finished yet, has it? And in case I didn't mention it because of the collapse of the other video, thank you for you people who subscribed. I got 3 more subscribers this week, and I could do with a lot more. So anyway, that went okay. But what we've got to do now is to move the drive bit, which is this bit here, and I think we can show you this better. There. How's that? Wow. So to move this drive assembly piece here, we have to deploy the piece of wood, okay, and then this is very similar to the collet arrangements as you put in the collets in, okay. So that's the protector, which we'll leave on at the moment. I just thought if that was a bit wider it would have pulled it off, because sometimes you can, if bigger diameter than that protector there, the spindle protector, you can sometimes click it like that and it forces it out. So this time it's not going to do that. So all we do is get a piece of rod, which I have for the occasion, to go through the headstock spindle. And then that's it, finished. And all I can do is to just have a look at this drive assembly here. You see? Do you remember that? We just slotted a drive slot there, put a little bit of grease in, and I must say it's working quite well. So I'm rather pleased with that. Definitely. So, I'll put that away as soon as I finish this video. I've got enough stuff lying about the place. So we'll put this back here. No, take this off first. Then I can put the chuck on. However, I'm not going to do that because you've seen all that. So I'm going to put this back on now. Just remove this. And that's the spindle protector in position. And now I can move that back to where it goes. I can, of course, we'll put it back prior to mounting the chuck. But we can do that some other time. In the meantime, this has been a tough time. And I'm going to get back to the siege milling machine to do some work which I need to do, but not today. I've had enough for today. Let me have a look, see what's happening here. Yeah, that's better. So, what do you think about that then? That's Rodney. He's a bit hard to handle at times, and it's a bit heavy. But anyway, that's how it is. I'm glad I got that out of the way, because well, it's not my intention to use that Rodney again. Because I've since got this siege machine in the background here, and it's although it's a lot heavier, I don't have to lift it up and down on the bench because it's all mounted there. But then again, make no mistake about it, the Rodney's a fantastic piece of equipment, and if you've not got room in your workshop, and some people just have room for a lathe, it's great. So there you go. I should probably sell this Rodney now. And this lifting it up and down business, it's I don't enjoy doing it. Anyway, look, thanks for watching. Sorry about all the hassle we had on the prior video. That was a bit. That was a thing going wrong, the worst thing that's gone wrong to date. But anyway, subscribe to the channel, please. It's allowed me to keep going. Not going to cost you anything. In the meantime, you can check that out. Or it might be that one, I don't know which way they go. But try it anyway. And I look forward to seeing you next time. Okay, catch you later. Bye for now.